What's up mga kalagaray? Welcome back to our channel.
Good day mga kalagarahe, new day, new build. For today's video is another episode na naman ng motor reveal and explain namin sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa namin sa build na to. And first of all, shout out lang namin yung sponsor natin. Ito, Macho Mucho for your haircut needs. Punta lang kayo sa kanila, magaling yan sila. So shout out Macho Mucho. Alright, so for today's video, nothing very much super special build or anything, but for today's vlog, since the previous vlog was about a very hard and complicated build, which is the Husqvarna 400, it was a very good build for us and a good achievement and a milestone because it was our 100th build. So this is the 101st build. So, back to basics tayo. So, this is a Honda TMX 125 na scrambler build. So, ang ni-request lang ni Sir sa atin is all black yung main parts, pero yung engine as is silver and rim silver. So, ang accent is black, silver, brown. So, kaya ganito. So, ayun, let's proceed right away sa mga ginawa natin sa bike na to. Start off tayo sa tank. Anong ginawa natin sa tank? So, still stock pa din yung tank mga kalagarahe, but nirepaint natin and pinalagyan ni Sir ng Honda. Ayan, and then top coat natin ng matte finish. Same as with the side cover kasi nga yung mga TMX na bago ngayon is wala siyang paint job. So, this comes with the paint job already. Ayan, and with our logo, matte finish. Yan. So, dito, sa triple clamp, ginawa natin, since silver yung stock, ang ginawa natin dito is, pinowder coat natin siya. And then, yung fork, na-lowered natin. And, additional request ni Sir dito is, digital speedometer. Ayan. And then, the brown handle grip, favorite natin. And then, dito sa side mirror, standard lang na classic side mirror. Ayan. Dito naman sa headlight, nagpalit tayo ng classic headlight, bracket natin, then our grilled bullet signal light. And then nagkabit na rin tayo ng fork boots. Ayan. And dito sa fender, as always, handcrafted aluminum fender and powder coated siya. So, ayan, powder-coated finish. Same sa likuran. Ito, yung fender natin, aluminum. And then, classic na taillight. Grilled signal light pa rin sa likod. And then, our custom seat with heat pressed lagaray sa likuran, of course. Automatic yan. And then, swing arm extend. Yan. And then bullet pipe, kinabit natin sa stock na elbow. Pero ang ginawa natin sa elbow is pinowder coat na natin. Para parang original lang siya. Parang walang nangyari. Yan. Then sa tires, pinalitan natin yung stock rims into SPD rims 17s. Kasi 18s yung stock. And then power tire, 325 sa front, 110 sa likuran. Ayan. And then, sa susian, as always, dito natin nililipat sa giliran para minimalist look dito sa itaas. So, it's a very uncanny way of starting a bike. So, dyan natin nilalagay. Ayan. So, ayun, not much, plenty of things done on this bike. So, yan ang walkthrough. So, ayun mga kalagaray, I hope you like our build, regular build na TMX 125 Scrambler, and we hope you liked it. Back to basics tayo, of course, because it's on our roots, and we started from there, and we're still doing these kinds of build. It's actually our favorite build na mga ganitong build. So ayun, I hope you like our mini episode na naman ng motor reveal and build. So, enjoy mga kalagaray. Please watch our other videos. And for more inquiries, please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Like na din kayo. And doon kayo mag-PM mga kalagaray, kasi doon lang kami nag-entertain ng mga queries. So, ayun. Have a great day.